old licenses, a competitor, and an email contract. Those are the three reasons Azure makes money. Reasons AWS can't copy a single one. Now AWS is bigger. More services, more customers, more data centers. Doesn't matter. Why old licenses beat new servers. Why selling products loses you cloud customers. Why a deal for Outlook turned into $625 billion. It all sounds backwards. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Number one, the cheapest product is the one you already paid for, Pennsylvania. A family buys a season pass to a ski resort, they go up a few weekends, hit the slopes, have a great time, pass expires, they forget about it. Next summer, two water parks open on the same road, same slides, same pools, same prices. But one of them is owned by the same resort. Bring that old ski pass. 85% off. The other park? Full price. That family didn't compare slides, didn't read reviews. They looked at what was already in the drawer. For 30 years, companies bought Microsoft licenses. Windows Server, SQL Server, Office, billions of dollars. Now they need the cloud, AWS, full price. Azure, bring those old licenses, 85% off. In 2019, Microsoft changed one rule. Companies that already own Windows can use it on Azure for free. If they want to use it on AWS, they have to buy it again. Full price. So Azure is cheaper. Not because Azure is better, because the company already paid Microsoft years ago, and most companies haven't even moved to the cloud yet. 70 to 80% still run Windows on their own machines. When they move, they're going to look at the price. Azure will be cheaper every single time. What this means for investors. Don't ask which cloud is better. Ask which one has 30 years of receipts in every filing cabinet in every big company on earth. Number two, nobody pays their competitor. Texas. A woman sells handmade candles at a weekend market. She's been there 2 years, pays for her booth, good spot near the entrance. Her vanilla lavender candle outsells everything in the building. One Saturday, she shows up. There's a new booth right across from hers. Same scent, same size, half the price. Run by the people who own the market. They saw her sales numbers. They knew what worked. They used her data to compete with her. Amazon is the biggest online store on Earth. It also owns the biggest cloud. The Wall Street Journal reported in 2020 that Amazon used data from third-party sellers to develop its own competing products. The FTC sued Amazon in 2023 over how it treats sellers on its platform. Every retailer on AWS is paying the company that competes with them. Walmart told its vendors in 2017, "Get off AWS." A leaked document showed Walmart paying $580 million a year to Azure instead. Kroger did the same. Target, Best Buy, Gap, all walking away. What this means for investors. Every dollar Amazon makes selling stuff is a reason for a big company not to use AWS. Microsoft doesn't sell anything online, doesn't compete with its customers. That tailwind gets stronger every time Amazon launches a new product. Number three, the best sales happen inside a deal you already agreed to. Oregon, a guy drives to Costco for paper towels and laundry detergent. That's the list. He walks in, there's a Samsung TV on sale near the entrance, a rack of jackets past the electronics, a case of wine by the checkout. He came for two things. Walks out with 6. Nobody tricked him, nobody pressured him. Everything was just already there, inside a store he was already going to. A CIO renews the Microsoft contract. Outlook, Excel, Teams, 80,000 employees, signs this every 3 years. The sales rep adds a line, Azure credits, same bill, same vendor, no comparison to AWS, no pilot. Azure just showed up inside a contract for email. Coca-Cola, April 2024, $1.1 billion deal. Cloud and AI, bundled with the Microsoft stuff they already used. One vendor, one contract, one signature. AWS doesn't sell email, doesn't sell Office. Every deal starts from scratch. Microsoft walks through a door that's already open. Their backlog hit $625 billion in January 2026, up 110% in 1 year. A lot of that started as an email renewal. The FTC is investigating this, real risk. But undoing 30 years of contracts doesn't happen overnight. This whole video comes down to one thing. Azure's moat isn't technology. It's the license, the conflict, the contract. Three things AWS can't copy. They don't own 30 years of software history, can't stop selling stuff, can't sell email to every big company on the planet. Stop asking which cloud is better. Ask which cloud is harder to leave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.